really into automotive. What is going to change? What has been changed? What is going to change? So if we are looking, I'm doing this now already also kind of a couple of years dedicated really to automotive plastics. I think it is now like 17 years which I'm exactly dedicating my work to automotive plastics. And the old style of looking at sustainability was very, very, very conservative in a way, like everybody was looking to make emission reductions in the utilization phase. So we talked about fuel economy. There was a lot about discussion about plastics parts and plastic applications and how lightweighting is related to fuel savings in the utilization phase. Okay, that was, let's say, one element of that. I think this is very much a yesterday's focused perspective anymore. Today, we are also looking very much to the utilization phase when we're looking to the latest cars on the market. But this really means like we are looking for the elimination of tailpipe emissions right now. So this is basically the electrification, which is already going to happen. So utilization phase is kind of done. It's only connected anymore to how you get access to electricity and how is the grid mix basically and this emission of that. So we can perfectly debate about that as well. And on the graph on the right side, you have all seen similar graphs like that. This is just like one example of that. But you see basically how the total life cycle of a car works in for CO2 emissions. And basically for battery electrical cars, it's already quite easy because in the driving in the utilization phase, there are no emissions from the tailpipe. It's just about, let's say, how to produce electricity and how to get it into the car. But we talk about more and more now, when we're looking to the future, about reductions in that backpack that all the cars still carry while coming to the street, while being produced. So the tomorrow's focus, where we are working on today, but tomorrow on the street basically, is cars coming to the street where there's a strict focus on the total carbon footprint. And that really includes very much emphasis on emissions resulting from the car production in itself. May it be scope 1 or 2 emissions or exactly the scope 3 emissions upstream. And that also includes what we are doing. So what plastics producers like us are bringing to the market, how to create them plastic parts, all of that. So what is really the CO2s we needed to emit in order to produce a plastic, but also to produce a part.